So I bought myself one of these audio cassettes because the Jag has got a very old-fashioned cassette player, and this allows me to sync it up via Bluetooth to my phone to play my tunes and take calls through. So as you can see, another eBay special purchase, it doesn't work. So I've been looking around for different fixes to make it work. So I found one on the internet. Is if I take out the internal cog mechanisms, which don't actually do anything, it should work. So let's put it to the test and see if it works. The other thing is I bought some of these dehumidifiers to put in behind each of the front lights, because Jags tend to mist up in the headlights, and this helps prevent it. And you can recharge these every so often. The blue dot turns to pink when you need to recharge them by just putting them in the microwave for 40 seconds, and it dries them out, and then you're good to go again for another month. So let's see if this works. I've already put one here in the cabin, and you can see moisture on the outside, but it's nice and dry inside, so that's good. So let's pop the bonnet or the hood and take a look. So as you can see, the front headlamp has got moisture on the inside. This is the worst one. This one's not too bad. And this compartment here, if you can see it here, if you gain access to it, reveals a little space where you can put your humidifier bags in. So bear me a minute while I'm trying to do it with one hand holding the phone. So this just unclips and reveals a nice little cubby hole behind the light. So you take your pack. Now there's a moment of truth because it might be a bit too big. We'll see. So that has gone in there nicely. So all you have to do is heat it up in the microwave when that blue dot turns pink. Simply repeat on the other side, removing this cap here and putting that in there. Okay, so they fit nicely in behind the lights. So let's see if that works. I'll give you a progress report in a month's time, and let's try and fix this Bluetooth tape receiver. So I'm going to take out the mechanism and undo these 4 screws, and let's see what happens. one piece out anyway. Moment of truth. Let's see if it works. So I've taken all the internal mechanisms out. Let's see if it works. Is it ejecting? Ejected it. Again, will it work? Will it read it? Alright. Try again. Go on, work for me. Yeah, no, doesn't work. So more rubbish purchased from eBay that clearly doesn't work, or doesn't work in my car anyway. So yeah, one for the bin. So hopefully the other one with the bags should work just fine with the dehumidifier bags. So let's see, I'll let you know. Bye for now. Oh, please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye. If you haven't already seen the video when I first picked up the Jag, please take a look. I'll leave a link down in the description, and I hope you enjoy that video. So thanks again, and help the channel by liking, commenting and subscribing. I know I've already said this before, but it really helps, and I need to grow this channel. So if you want to see more car videos, please hit that like button. Thank you.